I hate taking out trees, but hurricane season is upon us and this tree is in a bad spot. We had to get approval from the city, and thankfully they granted our request because this tree is huge, in between power lines, in between our house and our neighbor's house, and it's wreaking havoc on my roof, patio, and pool. Tree work is one of the most dangerous jobs in the U.S., so don't attempt it unless you really know what you're doing. When hiring this team, I asked about their past experience, what their plan would be in taking out the tree, and how much insurance they carried in case there was a mistake, like dropping a limb through our roof. Their plan was to bring in a massive crane and carry the limbs right over the house. The tree came down in about 90 minutes. It took about a half a day to clean the front yard, and the stump grinding took hours. The price of taking out a tree is very, very real. It will definitely hurt your wallet, or at least it hurt mine. But I do love having the sunlight in the backyard, and all my tree problems are finally gone.